Hi, I'm Greg, and if you want to make a website but are finding all the information a little bit mind-boggling, then you're not alone. Today we're going to not only learn how to build a website for you, but you're going to walk away with the understanding of how everything works. All I ask from you is just 6 minutes. If you give me 6 minutes out of your day, I'll show you the steps you need to make the core part of a website and actually have a website online. These are things a web developer in your town would charge up to $500 to do. And in just 6 minutes, you'll have that website, that amazing.com. All right, let's do it. Alright, welcome guys, it's Greg here, and we'll visit GoDaddy momentarily to complete our first step. Just wanted to drop you a quick footnote, which is that we have a PDF recap guide of all the steps here. You can access that below the video in the description area. Just click show more and you'll find the download link. You can access that after, before, or even during the tutorial, so you don't have to scribble down notes as we go through it. We are going to go fast here, but if I lose any of you, then I haven't done my job. So please consider downloading that PDF recap. Just click the link to download it and it'll go right to your computer and you can open it up. All right, that said, open up your internet browsers. I'm using Google Chrome here, but you could use Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Safari, whatever browser you want will work great. And then go ahead and type in godaddy.com and hit enter. And click to GoDaddy. And then focus your attention where it says find your perfect domain name in the search bar. The first step is just to type in your domain name. All right, so let's say you search for this one. And this is what you don't want to do. Even though this is available, you don't want to put too many words in the domain name. What you want to register instead is your name.com. That's a great place to start. Or if you can't get your name, maybe try your name followed by what you do. Something like that will almost always be available. So once you find your domain name that you want to use today, and I'll just do GregNarayanWebsites.com as an example, then you can just click search. And you want to get to this screen right here where you'll probably already be, and you want to just click add to cart. All right, now we can click continue to cart. All right, so your domain name is not officially off the market until you actually pay for it. So we want to hurry ahead and get that done. So let's click no thanks here because we're on a budget, and you can always add this stuff later. Continue with these options. Once you're ready, you're just going to click complete purchase, and I've already bought 6minutewebsite.com for us to build on today and use that one. So you would just click complete purchase, but I'm actually going to hop over to my domain manager. Okay, so we'll come back to this screen to connect our domain name to our hosting once we get our hosting, and that means it's now time to do just that. All right, so hop over to HostGator now. That's HostGator.com. And once you're here, just click Get Started. All right, so like I said, I like using GoDaddy for the domains and HostGator for the hosting because they are respectively experts in their own trade. I like going with Hatchling Plan when I start out on a new site because it's just the cheapest. So most people like myself upgrade from Hatchling to Baby when we realize we want to make a second blog or host our parents' website, host the website for the pizza joint down the street. So let's go ahead and click sign up now and try out the Hatchling plan. So we can click I already own this domain name because we already bought one at GoDaddy. Step 1 is done. So we'll move to step 2 and Hatchling plan is chosen. That's great. All right, cool. So we're going to come down here, continue with step 2 and change billing cycle to 12 months. Now just pop in a username and a 4-digit PIN, and we're done with step 2. Enter in your billing info just like you would at any other purchase online. All right, just speeding things up for you guys. And now you can put in the credit card or your PayPal if you'd rather go that route. I just like paying with credit card always because then you get those points. Now we're just gonna uncheck additional services in step 4. You can always get those later. Live chat can hook them up for you anytime. And now we're gonna enter a coupon code. All right, step 5. So HostGator's given us a coupon code that works, really nice of them. But we're gonna do a slightly better code that I know of, which is big, the word big, and then the word bonus with no spaces. And once you write that in, just validate it. Of course, let me know right away if this doesn't work for you or if you can't figure out how to use the coupon. This is the biggest coupon I know of. That is my coupon too, so that if you use it, I get a small credit from HostGator for referring you to them. And of course, thanks very much if you do use our coupon. All right, so with that said, let's just click the Checkout Now button right here. Let's do it. Congratulations and welcome to the HostGator family. When you see this screen, it's now time to check our inboxes. So once you're in your inbox and you found these emails, if you didn't get them, by the way, just give it a couple more minutes. And you can also contact live chat at HostGator and they'll send it to you directly if waiting doesn't work. All right, so once you have them, open up your account info first. And we're going to see a bunch of good information, most importantly, first name server and second name server, which we have to enter in at GoDaddy or wherever you bought your domain name. Just hop over to GoDaddy, make sure to log in, and then click on My Products, Manage All, and then find the domain that you want to use to create your website today. And we just want to click on these 3 dots right here and click Manage DNS. All right, now we're going to scroll down to where it says name servers. And we have to update these 2 with the ones that HostGator gave us. To do that, just click Change and then change it from default on this menu. Click the menu and change it to Custom. And now we have 2 boxes. Perfect. All right, once your name servers are in there, all you need to do to connect your domain name to your hosting is click Save. All right, so head back to your inbox and open the email that's from billing@hostgator.com. All right, once you open the billing email, you're going to see a link to log in and then your email address and your password. And that's all we really need right now. So just click on the link that says portal.hostgator.com. If your email is structured slightly differently, it's just because they updated their communications and made it all prettier. All right, so we're just going to click on that link. And we're going to use the credentials that they sent us to log in. All right, from your My Account screen, you can see all the packages you have at HostGator, as well as any support tickets, and just generally manage your entire account. For now, though, we want to hop over to the Hosting tab where we'll install WordPress. So click Hosting, and then you can scroll down and click Launch Quick Install. And then from this screen, we just want to scroll down and click WordPress right here, this box right in the middle. And we're just going to choose our domain name from this list. Perfect. And then leave directory blank right here. Once you've selected your domain name, leave the directory box blank. All right, so with this ready, domain name in blank, click Next. Make sure you get that admin email in there right, because WordPress will send you your login credentials here. All right, and then we're going to check this box, and it's finally time to actually get WordPress going on your piece of land and on your address. We just need to click Install. All right, let's do it. It says installation complete, so that's great. That's the first thing done. And the next thing is, how do we get into your WordPress website? All right, so don't click on login and don't click view my installs. Just leave this window open, because if you click those, it's gonna take this window away from you. All right, so leave it open and we're gonna go back to our inbox and we're gonna make sure that we get that WordPress information from HostGator Marketplace. All right, so there she is. Click on that email And this is basically a carbon copy of what you had here on your HostGator WordPress installation window. Same link, same username, same password. All right, so let's do it. Let's log into WordPress. Click on your admin URL, which is always just yourdomainname.com/wp-admin for future reference. All right, it's thinking, and boom, hooray, we got the WordPress login screen. All right, and let's log in. So just copy your password, but we'll change that right when we log in. Paste in the password. Remember me is always good, and log in. All right, in any case, welcome to WordPress. Congratulations if you made it to the end of the video, and thank you so much for giving me a good 6 minutes of your time today, guys. You're now part of a small group of people that know exactly how easy it is to do those core steps to make a website all of your own. If you click over here, you can watch the video that picks up right where this video left off. If you click up here, somewhere in this region, you can jump over to our resources page for this tutorial. Additionally, you can also smash that thumbs up button if you learned something here. I would definitely appreciate that. And you can click on that subscribe button up there so we can stay in touch forever. Last but not least, check out those comments down below and you'll see a giveaway where you can get some free templates for the popular Ocean WP theme that people are going crazy about, all for free. I think that's about a $40 value. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching because I really enjoyed making this for you. And of course, I'll see you right there in the next video. So long.